Hi friends, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell and show you how to disable subtitles in shorts on YouTube. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put your likes under this video and write your comments after watching. And let's get started friends. And if the short videos called shorts in the YouTube app are getting in the way of subtitles or you'd like to turn them off somehow, it's very easy to do. First of all, you open the YouTube app itself, and then at the bottom go to the Shorts section. And as you can see, let's say my current video has these subtitles at the top, which is text to make it easier to watch the video. But if you want to turn them off, you have to click on the three dots at the top. Then find the subtitle option, click on that, and then just click Disable. And as you can see, instantly such subtitles in the short video will be disabled. Friends, with this simple and quick method, you can easily disable subtitles in short videos on YouTube. I hope, friends, that this video was useful and helpful to you. Please don't forget to put your likes, write comments, and subscribe to our channel. Take care.